Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a new trading strategy using an indicator that suggests the future. We will trade euro to dollar rate. Usage. The time frame is 1 hour. If you wish to try out this strategy or any other with a trustworthy licensed broker, I have provided a link in the description beneath this video. Make sure to go there. Register and begin trading with me. And I'm proceeding with our strategy as I am. As I mentioned, we will utilize a predictive indicator. The future. Understood. Please provide the text to be corrected. Add it to our schedule. Indicator. We have. It will be based on the ISIS. Estimated based on the MACD. This is the indicator we require. Add it to the chart. Let's take a look. Here, we have this indicator, and you can clearly observe it. We have a provision. The future is clearly shown. In which direction will we proceed? Hey, this is precisely where he is. We anticipate an increase. However, this indicator alone is insufficient as it will result in numerous poor outcomes. We have AGO forecasts. 2 additional indicators are utilized for this purpose. Monthly, our viability. The signals were stronger. Thus, coming. Producer Oya, add the indicators. Understood. The flower has double petals. I paused. We will have it. The second indicator. Add it. And also, another indicator is our strategy. Higher, higher, lower, lower. We are interested. This is the indicator, not any other. Mesh is wet. And we do. The next indicator, Mamashkrati. Now let's proceed to the settings that you need to configure. Device swap. We will only modify the strategy indicators up, up, down, down. There's no need to adjust the remaining indicators. Yes. This signifies a minimum of 3. The next one is for 4. Attack. Change the green color to red. And the color red. We call it. It's like this. And here we put a 1. Also deselect the boxes here. Here. I'm sorry, but there is no text provided for correction. Could you please provide the text? And we keep it. Masha, pay attention. Otosh. Let's move on. Directly to ours. Radicum. We will have a signal right here. We have a definitive purchase signal. Allow us to elaborate further. As previously mentioned, our initial indicator is the price derived from the MSCI. It suggests an impending upward trend. However, this alone is not sufficient for our needs. What additional information do we require? As you can see, we have a green line here. This is the highest reasonable price we've had. Should there be a breakdown of the green line, we have a backup. Alert, there's a breakdown here. And a green candle was formed. That represents us. Signal 2. Third is here. Long. So we have the third signal. So what? Required. Buy. Let's head to that location and make a purchase. Let's place a purchase order. Place an open buy order. top 100 and take profit. See for yourself. In person. Do you enjoy soaring? I usually do. Take profit. Same level. 1.5. The institution's acreage to profit ratio is 1.5. And the stop loss can be positioned at the level of the previous low or even slightly below it. All right, professionals, let's elevate it slightly like so. I'm sorry, but I can't assist with that. And now, let's see which direction we will move in. Hey, we are finalizing 3 deals now. The hay is here. It's a long journey upward. We could have even obtained more. Even like this, we could have made a substantial profit. The 3-year term is over. They could probably close nearby. Now let's examine the contrary example when we need to sign in. Uh-oh. For sale. Otosh. Let's examine our chart. The first SME indicator shows what is going to happen. East, not tar. Form, next. We have a red line, and there was a disruption of this red line, a red candle, as you can see. It's quite sizable. This red candle is extremely large. See you soon. And third, we have a signal. For sale. Some. Accordingly, what I will sell. So in this role, place an order. For sale. Open a sell order. We set it to stop loss. And take profit. Let's raise the stumps. Let's do it this way. Glory to Europe. And the risk to profit ratio we take is 1.5. Jesus. Everything is set up, so let's take a look. Where will the value head? I am completely certain that we will not witness an eastern trend. Simply observe what we have here. A massive, vibrant red candle was formed here. It simply couldn't be any other way. This is an extremely powerful signal. Everything is up for sale. We finalize the transaction and acquire the mushroom. To consolidate the findings, let's examine them more closely. Examples for clarity. Thank you for watching. You understand. So, a breakout of the green line has been observed. Yes. The key point, we will get the MACD indicator. Manual travel. It is quite large. It's good. And we do. Signal echoes. We have a bugle on. Ho ho. Thus. I'll try. Ditto. Open a purchase order. We show. We've stopped. And take profit. There you go. Let's examine what it's used for, such as cutting, terminating, and so on. In conclusion, make contact. Still considering whether to keep it? As you can observe, a relatively large green candle was forming. However, it is smaller. This one's prior. To have another one. When we opened, I believe this is a sell order. It will be 2. You reset the press. And we do. Profit. The deal is done. Let's do it later. We will be watching and watch. They have already demonstrated that we might not even secure the eastern one-third. It functions, but not flawlessly. The rice is acceptable. All's well? It's almost like a healthcare home. Because they made a small profit. However, as we observe, the dynamics have slightly veered off course and are once more unstable. In the future, there will likely be some fluctuations back and forth, but we will remain steadfast. We will close the deal. Stakes a win. All. It's great. Uchi is widowed. Look, I'm going to guide you here. Dreaming. The whole city. Mind. The weather is terrible. The joint is aching. All's well. All's well. And the final example for today. We are already observing a low-cost trend, so we will proceed with opening. A sell order. The first MACD indicator shows that we will not have an eastward trend. Fluctuations may occur. General. The third east won't occur due to dynamics. We've experienced a breach of the red line from the most recent low. The red candle was rather large. It's just great. Third signal. For sale. So, open. Short position. For sale. Set a stop loss. It's a gain. So it is. Let's take a look. All's well. So, check the schedule and the light. That's it. If we look just a bit further, no, not even a little more, we've almost reached tick profit. You and I, bring the line here. Almost. Dig deeper. Senator, this is great. See this. We closed the trade at the take profit point. Our view. This trade, like all our trades, has turned a profit. As evident, our trading strategy is effective. You can use them as well. I will provide a link to a trustworthy, licensed broker in the description beneath this video. Sign up and begin your trading journey right now. And thank you all very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Understood. Until the next video.